mess. What's this video about? It can be a short one, actually. It's not going to be very long. I got to get going in a few minutes. What time is it? Got to get going. I got 10 minutes left. I picked this up, totally unrelated to garages, but why is this thing loose? This is a Fisher-Price cloth with a broken, the little thing's broken in there. So I'm either going to try to take it off and glue it back together, but my original plan is I'm thinking of taking this apart. Like, I'm taking the front off if I can get it off here. Try to pry it out real easily, or cutting the back off, because the back might be even more fun to get off because I'm an idiot. And if I can get the back off without destroying it, which might not be possible, I want to take this mechanism out because it's so awesome. And I want to, what do you call it? I want to put a real clock inside here and put it on my bench. The lady said it was broken. It was like $3, and I was like, sounds like a little tickety-tock thing here. But it's, you can adjust the, see, it's kind of busted. Doesn't want to, so I'm like, why not? I don't know how it broke. How the hell did somebody break this thing? But yeah, under $5. If I can somehow get these, my guess is I gotta pull these little pins out of here. I'm thinking of grinding them off because I'm not sure how I'm gonna pry it up without. This is made in 1964. Made in Japan. See that? Look. Right over. Musical made in Japan. See all the cool writing on it? They used to make cool toys. I mean, there's a wooden top on here, a wooden block on the bottom. This is probably paper covered wood. My other option is right here. I can maybe get a piece of a pry bar under there and without cracking it, but I think that's not a good idea. It's gonna have to be somehow pried out. I'll figure it out. Other option is like cut it off. I break all these tabs off and cut it real nice and just glue it back on. That's another option. But it might look a little scabby in there. So anyway, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.